ፓርት 5 እንኳን ወደዚህ ቪዲዮ በደህና መጣችሁ። አስማማው-አሰፋ ከዋቢሜዲያ ባለፈው አራት ክፍሎችን አይተናል። ዛሬ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ነው የምናየው ወይም በዚህ ቪዲዮ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ነው የምናየው። እዚህ ጋር እንደምታያት እቺ ማለት ናት። ይሄ ዶት እና ይሄን ሆሪዞንታል ላይን በደንብ ትረዱት ፈልጋለሁ። እቺ ዶት የመጀመሪያው ዶት የምታሳየው አክቲቪቲው የጀመረበት ነው። አሁን ይሄ ደግሞ ያለቀበት ነው የሚያሳየው ሁለተኛው ዶት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄኛው ደግሞ በክፍል 1 እንዳብራራውላችሁ የፕሬዘንት እና የፓስቱን የምንለይበት የሆነ ጋይድላይን ነው። ስለዚህ ፓስት ተጀምሮ አሁን እስከምንናገርበት ድረስ የቀጠለ ድርጊት ነው የምናወራው ማለት ነው። ስለ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ካወራን ሞር ዲቴይሉን እናያለን። Definition of present perfect is the form of the verb used for actions or events that have been completed or have happened in a period of time up to now. ምንድነው? ከዚህ በፊት ጀምሮ ያለቀ የሆነ ሰዓት ያለቀ ማለት ነው። ወይም ደግሞ ከዚህ በፊት ጀምሮ አሁን እስከምንናገርበት ጊዜ ድረስ period of time up to now የቀጠለ ድርጊት ከሆነ የምናወራው ወይም መጻፍ የፈለግነው የምንጠቀመው present perfect tense ነው። ኤግዛምፕል እናያለን። ወይም ፎርሙ subject plus have or has ወይም not ኔጌቲቭ ሲሆን plus verb sleep plus object ነው የሚሆነው። ፎርሙን እንዳረሱ subject plus has or have ሲንጉላር እና ፕሉራል ሲሆን ማለት ነው። ኔጌቲቭም ሊሆን ይችላል plus verb sleep plus object ነው። ይሄን ከያዝን በጣም ቤዚክ ነገር ይሄ ነው። ከዛ መቼ ነው የምንጠቀመው ምን መግለጽ ስንፈልግ ነው የምንጠቀመው የሚለውን እዚህ ጋር በእንትኖች እናያለን ማለት ነው። በኤግዛምፕል የመጀመሪያው how long የሆነ ምን ያክል ጊዜ ወሰደ ምን ያክል ጊዜ ይወስዳል ምን ያክል ነው ሚል አይነት አገላለጽ ልንገልጽ ስንፈልግ የምንጠቀምበት ነው present perfect tense። so since እና for የሚሉ ብዙ ጊዜ ይጠቀማል። ኤግዛምፕል ማየት እንችላለን። I have known Karen since 1994 አያችሁት። since ከ1994 ጀምሮ ነው አያችሁት። አሁን ያለንበት 2022 ነው። ነገር ግን ከ1994 ጀምሮ ያለን ጊዜ መግለጽ ሲፈልግ የተጠቀመው present perfect tense ነው። so I have known Karen since 1994። ሌላኛው life experience ማውራት ስንፈልግ for example I have been to Mexico ይሄንን never ever before የሚሉ ነገሮችንም በዚህ ላይ እንጠቀም እንችላለን። life experience ማውራት ስንፈልግ እንደዚህ እንጠቀማለን። I have been to Mexico subject I አለ have verb አለ and verb ስሪው been አለ ማለት ነው። then subject to Mexico አለ። ሌላኛው unfinished time word ይሄ ደግሞ ያላለቀ ጊዜ መግለጽ ስንፈልግ ለምሳሌ በዚህ ወር በዚህ ሳምንት ዛሬ የዛሬ ሙሉ ቀኑን ምናምን ተደጋጋሚ ነገርን መግለጽ ስንፈልግ present perfect tense እንጠቀማለን። this month this week today in the day frequently and already የሚሉ ነገሮችን የምናስገባ ከሆነ በሰንተንሳችን present perfect tense እንጠቀማለን። ኤግዛምፕል she has had lunch today አያችሁት። she has had lunch today። present result ደግሞ መግለጽ ስንፈልግ I have lost my keys አያይ የሆነ ምንድነው ቁልፌን አጥቻ ወይ ቁልፌ ጠፍቶብኛል present result ነው። የሆነ የጠፋው ከዚህ በፊት ነው ግን አሁን ላይ ያለው ውጤት መግለጽ ስንፈልግ በpresent perfect tense እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። በዋናነት እነዚህ አራት ነገሮችን መሰረት አድርገን ነው present perfect tense የምናወራው። ፕራክቲስ እናርግ። multiple choice they blank that film 6 times ይላል። አያችሁ ይሄ ድግግሞሽን frequently ሚል እንትን ያለው ነው። so subject they አለ plus have or has plus verb ነው የምናደርገው። so they plural ስለሆነ have ነው የምንጠቀመው have seen እናደርጋለን። ሌላው blank class a negative question mark ነው። have plus subject okay እዚህ ጋር subjecቱ እንዲሁ ዝም ብሎ ማለት እዚህ ላይ ጻፍ ይችላል ግን ማን እንደሆነ ማወቅ ይችላል። where have had did እዚህ ጋር ምንም ሌላ have you ever failed ነው ይሄ ነው have failed a class they blank Paris 3 times same frequency ነው የሚያሳየው። they subject plural ስለሆነ have been yeah have visited oh ታችኛው ነው የሚሆነው have visited have seen okay እቺን ማስተዋል አለብን they have Paris 3 times ነው አይደለ have visited okay ጎብኝተዋል 3 ጊዜ ሊሆን ይችላል have been እዛ ነበሩ አይሆንም so true ነው የሚሆነው have visited I blank in an exam I subject singular ስለሆነ I have never cheated I belong to Germany since I got married haven't been yeah ብቸኛው ነው ሌላው I belong to Tokyo has been have been was been has been አንልም I so I have been it belong for weeks subject singular ነው hasn't it was አይሆንም had this one she belong very annoying since she quit quiet smoking she is singular ነው has become እቺኛዋ verb ስሪዋ ራሷ ስለሆነች ነው we blank anything since we got here we haven't eaten I blank hungry for 4 hours I have been she blank Japanese I have has never studied have never studied had ይሄ አይሆንም ይሄ ነው they still blank what you did they still has አይሆንም had አይሆንም where oh እዚህ ጋር ችግር አለበት ምክንያቱም they የሚለው plural ስለሆነ haven't መሆን ያለበት maybe ይሄን ብሎ ሊሆን ይችላል okay ስህተት ነው ይሄ ትክክል አይደለም ግን they still haven't forgotten what you did ነው መሆን ያለበት blank a double rainbow did you have you ever seen this one good you blank the exercise yet you haven't she blank with her boyfriend she hasn't ever fought yeah only this blank work did you just finish አይሆንም have you yeah ነው Jackson blank ill for 2 weeks ለሁለት ሳምንት እንደታመመ ነው የሚያሳየው Jackson is singular እናደርጋለን she blank a lot of bad luck recently she has had this one we blank in Stockholm since 2005 we have lived this one we blank the same car for 10 years we has had no have plural ስለሆነ wow 20 out of 20 right sentences good ሌላኛው practice arrangement been have shopping 4 times weekly this subject እናስቀደም okay or ይሄን ማድረግ እንችላለን this have been shopping 4 times no this have been it's not correct this week they have been shopping 4 times okay good I loved have the day I meet you you says I have loved you since the day I meet you Canada my entire life lived in I have lived in Canada my entire life late for has work Jim ever been Jim oh question mark ስለሆነ has Jim ever been late for work yeah in September since then not seen I last saw him I have him dot good I have not seen him in September. Since then, okay, I don't know. I have not seen him. Okay, I have not seen him. Him. Since then, I saw him in September. Good. Oh, I last saw him in September. Okay. I have not seen him since then. Good. Have since the windows been open, I felt much better. I have felt much better since the windows been open. Lived in have we spoken since 2005. We have lived in Stockholm since this. Seen her today, we haven't. We haven't seen her today. They are ever arrived late, haven't. They haven't late. They haven't ever arrived late. Not on son never been my to Moscow has. My son has never been to Moscow. Rained it has a lot this year. It has rained a lot this year. Have been I to Tokyo. I have been to Tokyo. I know Julia have 10 years. I have known Julia for 10 years. Been I haven't myself since I didn't quiet. I haven't been quiet myself since this. Left just has he just left? She has. You did already forgotten what? What? She. Okay. What you did? She has already forgotten. Okay. Then what you did? She has already forgotten. She has already forgotten what you did. Okay. We have at that restaurant many times eaten. We have eaten at the restaurant many times. Never traveled has by train. He has never traveled by train. She has lived in London 3 years. She has lived for 3 years in London. She has lived in London. Okay. They missed the bus. They have missed the bus. Good. ይሄንን ይመስላል። በቀጣይ ክፍል ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ። እስከዛው ያለፉት ክፍሎች እንዳያመልጧችሁ ወደ ኋላ ተመልሳችሁ ማየት ትችላላችሁ። መልካም ጊዜ ይሁንላችሁ። ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ኮሜንት ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። አስማማው-አሰፋ ነበርኩኝ። ይመቻችሁ። መልካም ጊዜ